How to get rid of McAfee pop-ups. 5 quick solutions. Method 1. Clear and reset browser. Step 1. Open browser and click on the 3 dots on the right corner. Step 2. Next click on Settings. Step 3. From the left corner click on the 3 lines and then Privacy and Security. Step 4. Tap on Clear Browsing Data. Step 5. Now tap Advanced. Step 6. Click on the drop-down menu next to Time Range. Step 7. Select All Time from the drop-down menu. Step 8. Click on Clear Data. Step 9. Click on the 3 dots again and select Settings. Step 10. Tap on Reset Settings. Step 11. Next click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Step 12. When the Reset Settings screen pops up, tap on Reset Settings. Method 2. Removing pop-ups from Windows. Step 1. Click on Windows logo. Step 2. Go to the Settings and select System. Step 3. Tap on Notifications. Step 4. Go to the list of installed applications. Step 5. Now locate McAfee and tap the toggle to turn it off. Step 6. Close your settings window. Method 3. Disable information alerts in McAfee. Step 1. Open McAfee application. Step 2. Click on Setting in bottom left corner. Step 3. Now go to General Settings and Alerts. Step 4. Tap on Informational Alerts. Step 5. Uncheck the Show Information Alerts when option. Step 6. Click Apply and close the tab. Method 4. Remove suspicious extensions manually. Step 1. Open your browser and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Step 2. Click on Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Step 3. Now check all the extensions and click on Remove for any extension that seems suspicious. Step 4. To confirm the uninstallation, tap Remove once again. Method 5. Uninstall McAfee. Step 1. Click on Windows logo. Step 2. Tap on Settings. Step 3. Select Apps. Step 4. Now tap on Installed Apps. Step 5. In the search bar type McAfee. Step 6. Once you locate the application, click on the 3 dots next to it. Step 7. Next tap on Uninstall. Step 8. Click on Uninstall again and then Yes in the pop-up window. Step 9. In the Remove McAfee software window, check both the boxes under McAfee Programs. Step 10. Click on Remove and then tap Remove again to confirm. Step 11. Once the process is complete, close all the tabs. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.